Hi everyone, it's Heather from Crafts, Laughs, and Learning. If you're looking for something simple that adds a little fun into your day, this is a really easy one to use. It's light, it's playful, and it's something kids can come back to again and again. I like using little joke books like this during quiet time, after reading, or even just as a quick reset during the day. It gives kids something they can do on their own, but it also naturally turns into something they like to share and laugh together with. One way to make the most out of it is to let kids really make it theirs. They can color it, flip through it, and pick their favorite jokes to tell. You can even let them perform a joke for your family. It turns into a little fun moment without needing to plan anything extra. Another easy idea is to build it into your routine. You could do one joke at snack time, one before bed, or even start the day with one. It's such a small thing, but it really adds a nice rhythm kids look forward to. You can also leave it somewhere else they can grab it, like in a basket or a folder. Kids naturally will go back to it, reread their favorites, and start remembering them on their own. If you would love to use this with your kids, you can grab it through the link in the description below. And I'd love to know, what kind of jokes do your kids laugh at most at your house? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafts, laughs, and learning.